National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4:30 p.m. At 2:52 p.m., a line of strong thunderstorms, located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles southwest of Pleasant to Prairie to 31 nautical miles south of Winthrop Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. As thunderstorms move over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until these storms pass. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
The current time is 2:50.